Hi, my name is Shaylee. I'm here with the Emporia Art Center. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make paper succulents. I think these are great for any age. They're not very hard. You don't need a crazy amount of supplies. Really, all you need is paper, something to write with, something to glue with, and something to cut with. So to start, I made a file for the PDF stencils that I've made, and you'll just follow that link and print off the stencil. If you're unable to print, I know there is a way that I've seen a lot of students do is they have the PDF up on their screen and then they trace it with a soft tip utensil. So my suggestion might be like a washable marker. Just make sure you don't push very hard. You could also use a pencil, but just really don't push hard. You don't want to hurt your screen. If you're able to print though, that's going to be a lot simpler. It'll look like this. Super easy. You can print it on colored paper, you can print it on white paper, but that is the first step. So I'm going to be going off printed colored paper. If you don't have colored paper, you can also do white paper, and this might be great for the littles, so like K through 2nd grade or even up to 5th grade. You can print it out on white paper and use crayons or markers to actually color your succulents. You can find a reference picture on Google, or you can even just let them go for it. I mean, that could be fun. After they get it colored and they're ready to go, K through 2 will need help cutting these out. I believe 3rd grade up should be great on cutting them themselves. So we're gonna go ahead and cut. I'm gonna do this one first. So you just wanna cut around these black lines. I like to cut off all the excess first. Okay, and I'm just gonna cut around. If you ever need to pause, feel free. I'm gonna speed this part up of me cutting, and then we'll go again at the next step. Okay, so I went ahead and cut out all 3 options. This one took me about 5 minutes to cut out, and these ones were a little less time, but I would take about 5 minutes for each when you're trying to figure out how much time this will take. So the next step is folding them to give them the kind of 3D look that this one has. Super simple, and I'll show you how. So you'll start with, I fold mine over so you can see like the black outline still. I'll flip it over and have this be the front. So I fold in all the leaves of our succulent, and then I just put a bend in all the tips. Okay, so that's for that one, and I'll do that on the rest of these. For this one, I also will flip it over and I bend up. So I'm just giving it a pinch on each point. Okay, so it'll look like that. I'll do the rest in a second. And then for this one, also flipping it over so the black is on there, and I'm pinching these backwards. Okay, so if you need to pause and do that, feel free. I'm gonna fast forward as I bend the rest of them. All right, so now that we have our succulents, I'm gonna show you how to make a decor piece with them. So this is what I did. I took a picture frame and I just glued succulents on there. So you see I have on that link, I have different sizes of each succulent. So the jade, these are the large ones, and then the medium, and then I have these small ones to fill in the gaps. Show you how to do that really quick. I'm just putting 3 dots of glue. There you go, and then all I would need to do is cut out a few more, fill in those little gaps, and you have a really nice table piece. If you don't want to do a table piece and maybe you just want a few small ones, for these ones, I just took a toilet paper roll or a paper towel roll and glued them on top. So just put a little glue right there, stuck them on. And like I said before, you don't have to have this colored paper, you can have white paper. I also used one of our pamphlets as a piece of paper, so you could use a page out of a phone book, you could use a magazine, you can get really creative with this project. I am gonna post these on Facebook, and I'd love for you guys, if you do this craft and follow along with me, to post what you came up with. So definitely show me. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you're all staying safe. Thanks for watching. Bye.